Next, introduce the maintenance of the machine. First step, take down the straw bag. Take it down and clean the grass inside. Then clean all the grass on the machine. Then open the side door cover here and clean it. Hand clean the surface of the machine. Clean the engine completely. Wipe the wheel again. Then the next step is to turn on the engine. Wipe the inner surface. First, wipe off the dirt on the base. Then wipe the blade clean. The blade is easy to rust. If we don't use it for a long time, spray it with anti-rust agent. Prevent these iron fillings from rusting. Spray a little anti-rust agent on these iron fillings that are easy to rust. After cleaning, the storage area is small. Then you can fold the tube. First, remove the screw. Then release the knob. Then fold the pipe. This will take up less space for storage.